Apple earlier this week surprised us with an unexpected October event. And crucially, it is set to take place on Monday, October 13 at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Apple has never hosted nighttime event before, so Monday should be quite interesting. The Scary Fast event will be focused on the Mac, which has been confirmed by the Apple artwork for the event. Rumors have been mixed about what we can expect in the event, but it is sounding like we will get an entire M3 chip lineup. We have outlined what we have had it coming, but we might also get some unexpected announcement. MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch. The 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro model were updated with the M2 Pro and M2 Max chip in January 2023. So it is earlier for an update, but it is not unheard for Apple to refresh and make twice in a single year. Apple is expected to update a 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro model with its next generation M3 Pro and M3 Max chips, which will come less than a year after Apple debuted the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. The base M3 Pro chip will have a 12-core CPU and 18-core GPU, with upgrade available for the 14-core CPU and the 20-core GPU. The base M3 Max chip will have a 16-core GPU and 13-core GPU. Base M3 chip will have a 16-core GPU and 32-core GPU, with an option to upgrade to 40-core GPU. Upgrading from the M2 Pro, M2 Max to MP Pro and M3 Max should bring notable performance improvement, especially when it comes to the GPU and the ability for the MacBook Pro to run high-end game. iMac. Apple has not refreshed a 24-inch iMac since 2021, and it is still using a M1 chip. The iMac is unexpected, and it is still using M1 chip. The iMac is expected to get an update Apple event, and a new version will use the M3 chip, the same chip that will be in the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Jumping from M1 to M3 will improve both CPU to GPU performance, but most notably the GPU performance. The MP3 support more RAM, so we could see more maximum memory available with an update, as well as a higher capacity SSD. There was not a notable design change to display the iMac, but Bloomberg Mark Gurman believes that Apple will tweak the stand. Some of the internal components the iMac will be relocated and redesigned, with a new manufacturing process used to attach the stand. An upgrade to the Wi-Fi 6E is likely. As is Bluetooth 5.3, there are technologies that have been introduced the other Mac over the last year. USB-C accessories. Apple is expected to eliminate the Lightning port is several of the Mac accessories, including the Magic Mouse, Magic Trackbag, and Magic Keyboard. Instead of Lightning, these devices will update USB-C port as part of Apple transaction and USB-C across the entire product lineup. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablet, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablet, leave the comment and I will try to reply.